Welcome to the Kraken Bike Assembly Guide. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process to assemble your new bike, including wheels, handlebars, seat, pedals, and fenders. Let's get started. You'll need a 15mm crescent or socket wrench. Insert the wheel into the fork dropouts, making sure the axle nuts fit inside the fork entry. Tighten the nuts on both sides. Next, using a 5mm L wrench, unscrew the clamp nuts. Remove the clamp, place the handlebar in the center of the clamp, and adjust it to the desired angle. Using a 5mm L wrench, loosen the seat clamp. Insert the seat post into the bike frame and adjust it to your waist height. Tighten the seat clamp. Then, using a 15mm wrench, tighten the nuts under the seat. Next, find the pedals stamped with an R for the right side of the bike. Hand tighten first, then use a 15mm multi-tool or crescent wrench to fully secure them. Align the threading with the right crank arm and turn the pedal clockwise to tighten it. Then, locate the pedal stamped with an L for the left side. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so turn it counterclockwise to tighten. Next, to install the front fender, use a 5mm L wrench to unscrew the bolts from the frame. Position the fender so that it aligns with the holes on the bike frame, then tighten the bolts. You'll also need a 15mm crescent or socket wrench. Insert the wheel into the fork dropouts, making sure the axle nuts fit inside the fork entry. Tighten the nuts on both sides. Using a Phillips screwdriver, install the front and rear reflectors on the bike.